chef. Today, I'm visiting my sister, and it's such a beautiful day indeed. And I keep thinking that within a couple of weeks, it's Valentine's Day. So I'm going to be preparing this iconic Greek delight, which is called shrimp saganaki, which is full of flavor and so easy to put together that you will impress your special one. My sister has surprised me by inviting some friends that we haven't seen for a very, very long time, and I just hope they love my recipe. Okay, so let's do the mise en place very quickly. On this side here, about 25 jumbo-sized shrimp, like this. They're already deveined. Tomato sauce, feta, Italian parsley, some red onions that are finely diced, 6 garlic cloves that are sliced, scallions, orange rind, cherry tomatoes, a quarter cup of ouzo. If you can find ouzo, that's fine. If you don't like ouzo or can't find it, use brandy. Extra virgin olive oil, Greek extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and a little bit of sugar, and Old Bay seasoning. So in the shrimps, to saute the shrimp first, we pour in about, I would say about a quarter of a cup of olive oil, and we're also going to add about 1/3 of the garlic slices that we have. We want to mix them really well, and the best way to do it is with your fingers, and then we'll let it rest for about 3-4 minutes before we saute them. We wash our hands. A couple tablespoons of olive oil. I always put them clockwise. This way I know where I started and which ones I start flipping. These will only stay here for less than a minute because they're going to finish in a beautiful savory garlic sauce. And the onions go in first. We'll saute them. These onions do not need to be caramelized. We just want to sweat them out a little bit. There it goes. Oh. And the orange rind goes in. And now we put in the cherry tomatoes. Oh yeah, it's looking good. And now the tomato sauce. And the tomato sauce, nicely mixed in here. And now we'll flambe it. First we add the ouzo. And 1 teaspoon of sugar to remove the acidity. And now we need to taste it for salt and pepper. It needs a little bit of salt. And pepper. And a touch of Old Bay. It needs a little more tang, right?
A little more tang.
I'm going to add some chili flakes, although it wasn't on the mise en place. After we tasted it, it needed a little bit of a pick-me-up, a little zing, if you will. So these are the flakes that we're putting in. Chili flakes. And we'll taste it once again. That's what's great about home cooking. You just fool around with it until you get it right. Look at that garlic and the onion. Oh, doesn't it look great? Oh yeah, that's a little better. Good. I have 9 by 14 Corningware. We put the tomato sauce in first. Oh, this beautiful garlicky, savory tomato sauce. I love it. Press them down so they can absorb that beautiful sauce. There we go. And we're ready to go on with the next step. Half the parsley. Okay. Over here. There we go. Beautiful.
So nice to see you.
Said earlier. Put the feta on top. Remember what I said, with feta, it's better. All right. The feta is a little salty, so this will add, because we did not put a lot of salt to begin with. And then we put a little mozzarella on top. The cheeses will provide the additional flavor that we need. And then finish off with more parsley. Whoops. And the scallions. And we'll finish that. This is what I've done for our people to make on Valentine's Day. You've had it before. Did you like it?
Looks lovely.
Okay, good. All right, here it goes.
Very nice.
And we'll put the timer for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, right? Okay. There we go. It looks so. Okay, here we go. The meal's ready. The scallions. A little bit of olive oil. A little bit of lemon. Just a touch of olive oil. And then we need to try it. So let's get into this. The shrimp. This is garlic savory tomato sauce with parsley, capers. Heaven, absolute heaven. We put it on a bed of rice. People, when you have this meal, you will always think of me. February the 14th is around the corner. Valentine's Day. Make this for your date. Make this for your loved ones. They will love you and they'll keep coming back for more and more. Trust me on that. And remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you next time. Yeah, everybody, try it. Let me know how was the first taste.
Very good.
You liked it?
I'm waiting.
There we go. Nico, what do you think? Is it okay? Fantastic. And now my best critics, my sister.
Can't wait.
Do a little dip with the sauce.
And thank you very much, my very talented brother.
Thank you for allowing me to cook in your kitchen. Thank you, sweetheart.